Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I will show you a very simple, beautiful and elegant necklace design. First we will take 2 pieces 5mm pearl and 2 pieces black color seed bead alternately. Now we will give a knot. Then we will pass the needle through a 5mm pearl. Now we will take 3 pieces red color 6mm crystal. We will do the same process for the remaining 3 5mm pearls. When the 3 pieces crystal is taken 4 times, we will secure the pendant by turning the needle one round through the crystal and seed bead. Now we will make a chain. To make a chain, first take 10 pieces of seed beads. Then I will take 1 piece red color 6mm crystal, 1 piece 5mm pearl, 1 piece red color crystal. We will continue the same process 3 times. Now we will add the pendant. For that, take 1 piece 5mm pearl, then pendant, then again take 1 piece 5mm pearl. Now we will make a chain on the other side. For that, we have to take 10 piece black color seed beads, then 1 piece 6mm crystal, 1 piece 5mm pearl, again 1 piece 6mm crystal. We will continue the same process 3 times. Now we will add the lock. We will again take 1 piece 6mm crystal, 1 piece 5mm pearl, 1 piece 6mm crystal, and then we will add the lock. Other side, we will continue the same process and add this lock. You like this design very much. If you like it, please give us a like, comment and let me know how you like this design. And please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.